Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to record vendor advanced payment in Zoho Books. All right, so first up, go right over to purchases right here in the left panel. Now click on payments made. Okay, you click on it, and then once done, go to the top right, click on new. Now go ahead and select the vendor name. Okay, so for example, we have here sample vendor. So payment number, just gonna go ahead and leave it at 2. Payment made. Maybe I'm just going to go ahead and pay half of it, 500, like so. Hit on yes, enter the payment date, payment mode, pay through, and the reference number if you have one. Okay. And once that's done, if you want to, you can go ahead and add in some notes as well. And then just click on save as paid. Okay. As you can see, we now have a record where this vendor paid 500. So what we're going to do next is just go ahead and apply the advance payment to a bill. Okay, so first up, go to the left panel and click on bills right here. Now, once you're in here under bills, go and find or select the bill for which you want to record the payment. Okay, I have here this one. As you can see, the amount was 1,000 and we already paid 500. So we're just going to go ahead and click on it and just click on record payment right here. And once done, leave the payment made as is. If you want to deduct TDS tax, just click on this check box. Bank charges right here added if there's any. Payment mode, payment date, payment or payment number, payment made on, maybe today, through petty. Just going to go ahead and add in petty cash right here. Just for example, if we want to, you can go ahead and select from one of these options. Okay. Reference number, I'm just going to go ahead and copy the payment number right here and add in some notes. Also attachments if you have one. Now once done, just click on save as paid. And after that, you should be good to go. That is it. That is how you record vendor advance payment in Zoho Books. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.